Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I am going to unbox a phone. It's Vivo Y1s. I can say like it's the budget phone. It's around $100 and now we will take the phone and unbox it. Let's take the phone. And guys, this is the phone Vivo Y1s. It says 6.22 Hola full view display. It's around 1520 into 720p pixels, and this has a 4020 mAh battery that will last few use normally to 2 days. And this one has the Android 10 OS, and this one has octa-core CPU and 2GB RAM and 32GB capacity. And guys, this phone is released on 2020 November, and this phone is very slim. It's around 8mm and the weight is around 160 grams. And guys, you can upgrade the storage up to 256GB by putting a micro SD card. And this phone has a Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi, GPS, USB 2 and FM and many more stuff. Now we will go to unboxing. We will pick the phone. This is made in China. This comes in two colors. One is Aura blue and olive black, but this is olive black. And guys, now we will open the box. We'll keep the phone here. And guys, first of all, there is a phone cover. I have never seen a phone cover in a box. It's a silicone cover, and there are some guidelines. We don't want those stuff. We'll keep the guide there. And there are some stickers also, QR code, barcode, those things. And here's the phone. We'll keep the phone and check what are the other things. You have a SIM eject pin and micro USB charging cable and the 10-volt charging brick and nothing. We will put the charger and those stuff into the box. And guys, now we will take the phone out. It's very light weight, and this is the olive black color. This is very nice, but there is a high chance of fingerprints. And now we will put this casing. This has a charging port cover, and we will put the case. Now it's going on very nicely, and here you can see that charging port is covered, and you have a 3.5mm headphone audio combo port and speakers. And the front camera is 5 megapixels and back camera is 13 megapixels. You can shoot videos up to 1080 pixels up to 30 fps. Now we will switch on the phone. The phone is switch oning, you can see. And guys, you can see it has the phone is now on. It shows Funtouch OS welcome. It's the customized version of Android 10 for Vivo phones. And guys, now we'll click on set up your phone and click on next, and we'll select our location and agree the terms and condition and the agreement. So it's asking for the network. We'll skip the network part for now, and it's asking for Google privacy policy and those stuff. We will click on accept and set the time. Now the time is, now I have set the date and time. Now it's asking for Face ID and password. I will skip that part also. And it's asking for recommended services. We'll click next. It's asking for import data, but this is a new phone, we don't have anything. And it says congratulations, your phone has been set up. and click on use now. Now the phone is on. You can see here the phone is on. It's loading, and guys, it's very speed. It's a very good budget phone. It says Vivo Cloud Services also, and we will go to settings and check about this device. Go to settings and system management and go to about phone, and it will show the model number, ROM, the Android version, the processor 2.3 GHz, octal core, RAM 2 GB, and IMEI numbers, and hardware version, software versions, and everything. And use time, it's only 5 minutes and 38 seconds used, because this is just now we unboxed. And SIM status and MAC address, those stuff. We will check the Android OS. This is the Android OS. You can see Android 10. And guys, we will check the camera also. I will take some pictures of the box. It's asking for the network and location. We don't want. Take some nice pictures of this box. It has some camera modes like beauty, and I think beauty is for phase, and photo, video, time lapse. There are 4 modes. Let's check the video quality also. It has a telephoto lens, but digital telephoto lens. It has only one lens, but this has 2 times zoom. We'll go to video settings and we can check the resolutions: 480p, 720p, and 1080p qualities. And now we will set up the Google account for this. Accounts, Google. For that, it has a very nice navigation bar, big brightness level, continuity, and if you scroll down again, you can see the other mode. You can control the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flight mode as usual. Night mode also there. It's asking for Wi-Fi. Now guys, now I have connected to the Wi-Fi. We will set up the Google account. Then you can download apps from Play Store. Go to settings and go to Google. It will be at last, and go to sign in your Google account, and it will ask for checking info. We should create a Google account, so we will click on create account for myself. And guys, now you saw the unboxing and how to set up a Vivo Y1s phone. And thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. There is a important information that 87% of you guys have not subscribed my channel. It costs you nothing. Just click that subscribe button, red color button, and put a thumbs up. That will encourage me to put more videos. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.